Imagine the power of capturing the world from above with an ultra-high-resolution camera in your hands. Welcome to the world of DJI Mavic 3 Pro. This high-end drone is an impressive fusion of advanced technology and user-friendly accessibility, brought to you by DJI, a global leader in drone technology. With its high-quality construction, the Mavic 3 Pro is designed to give you a seamless flying experience while capturing breathtaking aerial visuals. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is not just a drone, but a tool for creating stunning aerial visuals. What makes the DJI Mavic 3 Pro stand out among its peers? Its features. Let's delve into what makes this drone a marvel of technology. One of the standout features of the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is its Hasselblad camera. This isn't just any camera. It's a camera that captures high-resolution photos and videos, bringing every detail into sharp focus. Whether it's a panoramic view of a stunning landscape or the intricate patterns of a cityscape, the Hasselblad camera captures it all in stunning clarity. But the DJI Mavic 3 Pro isn't just about capturing stunning visuals, it's also about intelligent flight. With advanced AI capabilities, this drone can navigate complex environments and follow moving subjects with ease. It's like having a professional pilot at your fingertips. And speaking of flight, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro boasts an extended flight time. This drone can stay airborne longer, giving you more time to capture those perfect shots. And rest assured, your flight will be a safe one. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro comes with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, ensuring it avoids any unexpected hurdles in its flight path. These features make the DJI Mavic 3 Pro not just a drone, but a tool for creativity. Ideal for both enthusiasts and professionals, it's a drone that opens up a world of possibilities. With the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, the sky is not just the limit, but a canvas for creativity. Are you ready to take your creativity to new heights? Elevate your vision with the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, available on Amazon. With Amazon Prime, enjoy fast, free delivery and exclusive deals. Make informed decisions with customer reviews and star ratings. Check out the link in the description below and make the sky your playground with the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The world awaits your perspective.